Yes.
But already?
Yeah.
Why didn't you say before?
I tried to.
You were supposed to be the lookout.
Yes, but then I have to look that way.
Oh,
Don't
yeah.
I?
Yeah?
Okay.
Oh, why were you looking that way then?
And maybe it's a good idea.
It's not your fault, it's
No.
the boat. It's too good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Shouldn't we just go back?
Good idea.
Okay, hold on. I will turn. We try to turn the boat, but at the same time a strong wind caught the sail. Oh, it's not me, it's the wind. Oh, hold on. I'm going to turn to the other side.
Okay.
Yep, but another stronger wind caught the sail. Oh, and the waves grew bigger and bigger. A huge wave came and took the boat. Brika! Brika! Oh no, not that. I've got to find him.